You're never too old. It's the sentiment of a primary school principal who has tasked himself with empowering his students' parents in becoming better versions of themselves. We have the details in the Ray of Hope with Kian Morgan.
It's a Wednesday evening at the Central Branch All-Age School in Kingston, and these parents have returned to the classroom for a second chance at getting it right. They're attending a math class organized by Principal Michael Sutherland. The school offers free evening classes for parents and the wider community.
We had gone to an online platform for teaching the students, and we realized that the children would need some assistance while they're at home. So my idea was to get the same platform for the parents, get them involved in using Google Classroom as well as Zoom, so that when their children are at home in the same, in the classes, they would be familiar and they would be able to help the children.
With the geometry tools in hand, it's clear the parents are ready and willing to learn. Mr. Sutherland says the aim is to give them a sense of pride and independence.
I also taught them some simple baking skills so that they could help themselves. Like, for example, at Christmas time, I taught them how to do fruit cakes. Easter time, we did Easter bun, and so on. I would teach them little things like how to do deep frying, how to make festival. And some even went on to starting a little business on their by themselves.
The program runs twice weekly, with up to 20 individuals enrolled. And with the schools now open, lessons are delivered face-to-face and online.
I loved maths, but I couldn't do it. And then when I started the maths classes, I realized it was so easy. I mean, the way he teaches, I mean, it's so natural.
We're able to help our high school children, even the ones that is still in primary and infant.
And despite having a lot on his plate, Mr. Sutherland looks forward to each class.
As much as I'm tired sometimes, it gives me a sense of purpose and it drives me to want to teach more. Many of us school leaders forget our roots, you know, we just get stuck behind the desk and we don't get involved in the community. I want to be a hands-on principal. I want to be involved in my community.
He's encouraging a similar initiative in schools across the island and is inviting corporate Jamaica to come on board to assist the parents with exam fees. With a Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.